Hello and welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to do this updo that is very easy and looks kind of elegant. You don't have to have super long hair to do this, just keep in mind your bun won't be as big as mine. You're going to begin by sectioning off the top portion of the hair and clipping it out of the way. You do want relatively clean hair for this style because we want as much natural volume as possible. We're going to twist the bottom section into a bun and pin it in place. Feel free to get as creative with the bun as you like, but I'm just going to keep mine very simple. You also may want to tease the top portion of your hair if your hair is very thin. I'm going to skip that step. I'll just pull out some pieces to frame the face and then hold the top ponytail very loosely. You don't want to pull down on it because again, we want as much natural volume as possible. Coming to the back, we're going to twist the top portion. And again, for more volume, we're going to push that twist upwards before wrapping it around the rest of the bun, tucking it in, and pinning it in place. You may want to work with the top of the twist a little bit just to make sure it's a nice shape. You want it to kind of resemble an upside down French twist, and then also continue pushing it upwards as much as possible for that volume. Coming to the front of the hair, you want to work with it a little bit. I usually end up with one floppy side. Then curl the framing pieces away from your face. And you are all done. This hairstyle took me about 5 to 6 minutes in entirety. Very easy to do. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please like this video, subscribe if you're into that sort of thing. Leave me a comment and let me know if there's any hairstyles you'd like to see me try. Thanks so much for watching. Bye.